traders. This is Mike with Ripper Day Trading. Day trading live this morning. Got a couple of things showing up on my scanners. Nothing great at the moment. So we're just gonna have to be patient and see if something presents itself. I did trade on Monday, and if I remember correctly, I think I went and checked, and the video did not show up. So I'll have to check and see if I got a copy on my computer I can upload. But I got crushed. I traded PCG, and I jumped in at a very inopportune time, and it ripped like $1.50 in a minute, and I got crushed. So I'm trying not to have that happen today. So I'm gonna be patient. About 5 seconds to the bell. See what happens. Let's see. Just checking out the spreads on these right now. Alright, this one's not a bad spread here. Man, in my mind, this would have been a good place to short, and I could have taken a quick profit there, but I learned my lesson from Monday. I jumped in on I think like the third minute or so. It was just too early, and that's why I got crushed. This thing could rip to 30 in a second. And these are my two main plays right here. Mainly because of the dollar amounts of them. That one's moving crazy like. Alright, the spread on this one's still about 20 cents. So right now, I'm more interested in PDD than JMIA. This one's very spready at the moment. Always kind of is. That 28, that's a 29.77 is a good looking short, like I said earlier, but I just can't do it yet. Getting a little more spready right now. Looking pretty bullish at the moment. Oh wow, there goes a dump. man, son of a bitch. I missed that. Try to get in. Something was wrong. I tried to get in right there. That's terrible. Well, I have a second chance at it. 2960 is where I tried to get in. Wow, look at this motherfucker run. Don't do that to me, Lowe's. That was so dumb. I got it on the fucking bounce. I mean, it was where it broke. It is my strategy. But now I have to hold through this a little bit. Hopefully it's just people taking profits. And we can get back down below 108.50. Come on now. Uh-oh. I'm about to be out. Die, baby. $109.30. Why is it? Yeah, that's right. My stop's at 109.30, which is about to get hit if it doesn't die here. I'm out. Well, I'm glad I got out, had a stop in. That thing just blew past it. I just can't do anything right. Well, I did that correctly. It's 108.54, and I got it at 108.58, so I was right there at the break of it. It's just false 5-minute breakdown. If I'd have jumped in here, wouldn't have been great either. Watch this thing die now. Had a hard time getting really through 50 here, but I should have bought at 50 again. Maybe not. It's about. Are we gonna have a? It's through 50 now, so still we've got like a little triangle forming here. Can't tell what this thing is doing. I mean, it's just squeezing, but it's getting smaller and smaller. It's about to break out some direction, and I'm not sure which way it is yet. Feels like it's up. Just because this is almost like a descending little wedge thing. But like I said, it's very hard to tell right now. We've got a lot of support here. All it needs is a little volume to just go. It's not looking great there. Nope. If it gets below this, it's probably gone. This is a sneaky one. Damn it, man. I was sitting there about to click it on. Right about here, I was about to click it. Bounce back up to 50 real quick. There it goes. I'm a big pussy. Can't figure out what I want. I want to go short so bad right now. I'm doing it. Let's go. I didn't look at the spread. I jumped in $14 down. Come on now. Where are we in at? 34. Oh, that's not looking good. Looking really bad right now. Really bad. We got to get below that. Fuck, we're about to get taken out here too. Come on, just die. Help a brother out. Get down there past 29.17. Just break right through it. Quit jacking around. This thing's about to rip to $29 and $30 any second now. I don't know why I wanted to go short on this thing. I was thinking long the whole time. And since I've sucked the last couple times, I went against what I was naturally thinking I could, since I've been wrong the last couple times, that I should reverse on myself here. The only reason I went short because it's having trouble getting above this 21. But it's about to just squeeze and take me out any second here. There it is. I'm out. I knew it. Should just freaking followed my instinct was this thing was going to just rock it. Oh look, lows. Thanks, buddy. You did great for me. That's what we needed right over here, asshole. Well. The spread on this children's place is bullshit. Come on. Die. Come on, get down there. This 21 moving average today is just not being my friend. It was holding that, holding it down, rocket. Now it's holding it down. I don't need it to do the same thing again on me. Hold it down and go. Let's break through this again and die. Pull a lows where it's a false and then a kill candles. Jesus Christ. Why is this thing trying to come back up? Let's go back down here to 65 real quick. If it gets through this line, if it cracks this, I mean, we could see 68 fairly quickly. We just got to get down there. Just see a $4 sell off real quick. You got it. At least get through 70 to 71 real quick. This is what we were looking for earlier. We were in at 34. That'd have been real nice right about now. We got that rip to 30, like I said. Man, I was 5 cents off. Rip to 30. So, had I done my original game plan, I would have gotten in about 50 or 60, got the rip to 30. Talk about getting jerked off right now by a stock. Just freaking die, man. There we go. That's where we want to go. It's funny, this is a line I did pre-market, and this is where I got in. Thinking that when this one failed, it was going to die. It did a little bit here, and I need to do it again big time. We need to go see 71. Well, you know, if you could just hold on long enough, Lowe's took me out, and then it went exactly where we wanted it to go. This one really took me out, and then went exactly where we wanted it to go. We're at round 3 right now, trying to hold through, see if we can get this thing to make us some money real quick. Oh, we're in the green barely on this one. Alright, get through 71, 75 and then just shit the bed. I'd like to get to where I could put like a 50 cent. I'd like to be able to put like a 50 cent stop on this guy and let it just run dollars down all day long. Wash out through 71, baby. We need you here, Lowe's. Or wait, Children's Place. Lowe's. We don't need Lowe's anymore. It's a ass clown. No. I should probably not let this thing go back against me, but it's about to. Jesus fucking Christ, man. It's time for blood. We've waited long enough. We're ready for it. Get through 72 hard. If we'd have waited for our plan on this one here, we'd have gotten it 29.20. We'd be up 30 cents right now. 40 cents right now. I gotta start I followed the plan on Lowe's, and got burned. However, if I hadn't lost on whatever, PDD, probably could have held long enough to let this 21 test. All right. It's hard not to hang in here. If we can get through this now, 71. If we can get through 71, we're gonna be really happy. It's hard, that's what's really shitty is if I hadn't lost already, I would have taken that profit. Now I'm chasing, kind of want to get at least 200 so I can make up my losses for the day. If it gets through 71 though, we should see some big time blood. Damn it. I don't know you. Here we go, perfect. Go against me. Just one little pullback before that's people taking profit hopefully, and now we're gonna get some more. Lowe's, Mike. My suit for my wedding is ready. Here we go. Reward me. Let's go. Just dive through 71. Should I put in a stop at like 71 or $72 just to make sure I don't lose money here? Jesus, I could have just typed that, lazy fuck. I'm in at 72.50, so 73. Damn it, that's too late now. I would have taken profit at $50 right there. Was my so it would have got me out if I'd have got that in. Hopefully that's a good thing for me. Just fade all day, baby. There we go. Get through 71. Hard. Let's just fucking die. I almost just took it when I was there at 150. Damn it. Why is it bouncing? Go. Just die. Get through 71. Come on. Get through 71. I think if it hits 200, I might take half of it. Half-ass thinking about taking half of it now, but God, I'd like to see this thing break through 71 real quick. All the big volume is on the red candles right now, so hold it down. More blood. Let's go. This thing's been like sideways, sideways, down, sideways, down, sideways, down. Hopefully we're going the same thing, sideways, down through 71. Like I said, if we can get through 71, we could see some serious blood. That's the only reason I'm not out yet, is because if we can break through 71 and hold, it could be down big. It could go all the way down to 68. 69 at 68, 81, 69 area. If we can get through 71, it could go to 69 quick. Okay, here comes some volume right now coming in. Let's get through that $71 wall. Come on, get down there. Not liking it. Hold it down right there. Let's go. Get through 71. Come on. Fight hard. Here we go. Getting there. Could be death 30 for it. Nope, not yet. Got it really fighting there. Spread's not doing me any favors right now either. We got 71.19 on the bid, almost 40 on the ask. About a 20-cent spread. We need this ask to get down there. Make the right move, baby. We're kind of squeezing again. We need to squeeze downward. Through 71. All right. Come on now. This is it. Damn it, man. I can't get through 71. Here we go. This is the moment. We got to do it here. Come on. Come on. We need this to get under. That has to get under 71. There we go. Now we could be in a perfect town. No, come on now. Hold it under 71. Hold it under. Let's just say that stop loss is kicking in. It brought us back up. Let's get back down to the bloody bottoms. I likey. There we go. Let's go see 69. Right now working on 70.50. We need to get below 70.50. Getting there. Let's go, baby. give it a second. I want to take half here, kinda. Waiting to see if we can break through it. Having trouble. Come on now. Get through it. Because it gets through here, we can see a big jump, and I'll take half. Get through 50 on the ask. Here we are. Moment of truth, baby. Let's go. Get under there. I'm at 200. I'm taking half. Holy fuck tits right there, man. What was that? I'm glad I took half there. 50-cent jump. I got a 30-cent trailing stop in real quick. So this is that same shit where it's sideways down, consolidation down. Now we're in consolidation. Hopefully we'll go down again. I really think this thing can get all the way down to maybe 60, 69-ish, but I'm starting to think about getting out and taking the green day. Oh, it just, I didn't even see that happen, but it just jumped. How the fuck, it never got there. It's about to, but there were some 70s on the board. Well, it took me out. Green, $5. I should have, I knew I should have taken it. I was about to take it right before it jumped at the 200 mark. I mean, what's another $21? It's not gonna make or break me. So overall, happy to get it back. Looking at lows here, it we got in. Where did we get in at? Right, I can't remember. I think it was this one. We got in right here. Took us out. Came back down. Let's see if we'd have got in at 50, 850. Yeah, we would have been at about a $60 loss, which we lost 72, so I would have probably held through that, and then it would have finally paid us. We would have made, like, if we'd have gotten out, $90 on it. And most likely, since I would have held through it down, I would have probably taken it at 90. Worst case scenario, maybe 50, just because I would have not wanted to let it go red again. PDD, I sat there and talked about how I thought it was going to rip to 30, so what do? I get short right here. I think, yeah, right here I get short. When it was an actual perfect buy, I would have got $1 rip almost. Well, 75 cents within 4 minutes. Of course, I probably would have just sold it right here. Still 30-40 cents. But it ripped, took me out, came back, and then gave us the move that we would have loved, which is like another, let's see, that's 40, 60 cents. No, it's 50 cents. Which would have been great because I had 400 shares on that, so a couple $100. Children's Place. We got in a little early on this break here. I think right. Yeah, we got in right here at the break is 72.50. Somewhere in here, I'm not sure, but then we got in right here. Never really, the spread was bad, so we were down about $15-20 or so to begin with, but for the most part, pretty good little trade. Happy to get that money back after this one right here. Played it perfect. Just oh wait, I did it right here. Yeah, I did it here. Played it perfect. Got it right on the break of the 5-minute open range. It just bounced back up. If I played this on a 3-minute, the break of this one a little bit better, but what are you gonna do? This one here, I just trying to play catch up on and did dumb shit. So it was very obvious looking at this thing that every time it got sold off, we got these lower shadows launching it back up. So that's why I was thinking it was about to blast to 30. And so what do? I short it. I gotta quit being so short biased. That's what's killing me. Even though if I'd have been able to hold, I definitely would have made money on it. But in this situation, it could have truly been a coin flip because it's just sitting there. The price action's getting narrow. Let's see. You got that coming in there. Breaks through it a little bit right there, but as soon as it broke out to the upside, it was gone. So I was smarter than that. That's why I thought it was going to go to 30, and I lit the my recent short bias. I just like to go short. I spent the first year going long, and now I just like going short, and so I talked myself out of a really good play there. I could have been in for literally 3 minutes and pow. I've got some extra time, but this thing is still weak. I'm half-assed tempted to get in short right here. Again, that'd be actually a better price than I was short at to begin with. No, it's not. Never mind. It's $1 below. But it's looking weak. Still. I should just be happy with my red to green, basically even with fees. I'll watch it for a couple seconds and then I'll be done for the day. That'd have been a good one right there. Looking at SPY this morning. This thing keeps playing with me. I've got some 300 calls for this week and next week, and it keeps acting like it's going to get up there, and then this 292 area just keeps smacking it down. But this is a very, very tight range here. Normally in the first hour or the first 30 minutes, SPY moves a bunch. It hasn't even, the range isn't even a dollar at the moment. About a 70-80 cent range. We'll see if it can, if 92 can hold it up again, we can get some. Let's see what this says here. Nothing super. We got the bounce. And in hindsight, I was looking at shorting right here at 71.50. It's starting to work out a little bit here, but I don't know. Big picture, it's doing the opposite now that it was. Up, sideways. So maybe now this is where it starts to go back up on this consolidation. Who knows? It'd have to get all the way back up here and stay, but oh, no more. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. 71.50. It's a winner right now. In all honesty, I probably would have taken all of it right there, just taking a quick $50, but I know it would have been a good idea. Look at that shit. All right, I am done for the day. I'll try to see if I can find that video from Monday where I got crunched. It was brutal. But afterwards, I made a little bit of it back, and then my computer crashed. So I don't know why it never. I guess it stopped uploading, and I got an error on YouTube. But I'll see if I have a partial video I can throw up. Let's see. Tomorrow is Thursday. I should be able to trade tomorrow morning. So I will talk to you guys then.